Okay, butereevu gwe alaba Focus TV nkwaniriza negamba nti webali nnyo okubeera nga okikola, webali nnyo okubeera nga tugoberera ebiseera byonna. Nze Ade Wilberforce Muyanja ali mu Uganda, East Africa wamu ne diaspora nga wasalawo okubeera nga ogoberera omukutu guno gwa Focus TV okola ky'amanyi. Tanaba kusubscribinga, nkusaba subscribinga tube nga tutambula mu maaso naddala okuweereza amawulire agagwa mu ggwanga lyattu Uganda. Tulondamu stories ez'enkunala oba ez'enkizo ntubeera nga tuzikuwa. Olunaku lwaliro nzize twejjukanye ebyaliwo naddala nga omukulu Paul Kafeero ono tanaba kuziikibwa.
Abantu bangi abansaba part 2 ey'omwana w'omuzungu Catherine ono oba Katalina engeri kijja nnyonnyolamu ensisinkana yaabwe ye ne Kafeero. Mu part 2 eno gye nkuleetera olunaku lwaliro njagala tulabe biki ebyamu inspiringa okulaba nga awandiika akatabo kano wanujita. Akatabo kano mu nsaasira baabuuza mu part 2 engeri gye mukafunamu. Ekituufu kiri nti nagendako mu Aristoc naye akatabo tebakyakalina era ne bansuubiza okunkubira essimu nkakakomyewo. Very soon nja bategeeza kopi eyo yatundanga wakati w'Emitwalo 5 n'O6 kisinziira bookshop ki, wabula gwe akeetaaga bwe kali bakakomyewo I'll get you back. Oba ky'oyinza okukola kuteeka ennamba yo mu comment section oba no inboxinga ku namba za simu z'olaba ku screen eza Focus TV so that to keeping in touch okufuna akatabo kano. N'olunaku lwaliro nkusidde emboozi y'omuzungu mu part 2 nga nnyonnyola ye ne Kafeero obulamu bwe baabeerangamu.
Kitabo kino kyakutwalira bbanga ky'okukiwandiika?
Nakola emyaka 9 mukaaga.
Emyaka 6.
Mukaaga.
Okuŋŋaanya bino ebiri muno.
Yes, collecting, interpreting the pictures, everything. God.
Ebifaananyi obijjawa?
Nze. And I was the photographer for most of them. Otherwise, his own collection. He had a lot of. He collected many photographs of them. Yeah, but I took most of them myself.
Abavunula be baani? I see Bafuba.
Bafuba.
Mu Luganda bwe ngamba Bafuba kyeza baakola omulimu ogutali mwangu ne bagukola ne bagutuukiriza. Ndaba ennyimba kumpi zisoba mu 8 ze bavunula. Bakikoleranga wa? Era ani yabawanga guidance? Who was guiding these people, the interpreters?
Nakola ne Asaba Jessica. She was like a daughter, but she's very good with languages.
Amanyi Olunyarwanda,
Kifaransa, Omuzungu, Luganda. So she was the one who began translating the first time. And then we had Fountain Publishers. When we came to them, they had 3 or 4 more people to look at the Luganda.
Ennyimba ani azikuŋŋaanya kubanga ezimu nze nali sizimanyi nasooka ziraba mu kitabo kino. Nenzirayo ne mbuuza abantu abakola collection yaŋŋamba ezo ziri ku tape naye kati tape ezo ozijjawa? Gwe ennyimba wazijjawa?
Mu park.
Naawe wagulangule?
But ndowooza we need a businessman who will create the one maybe MP3 of all gender to accompany this. But for me, I'm a writer. I'm not a music producer. So
ennyimba za Kafeero zonna wali oziwulirizaako? Have you listened to them?
Yeah.
Gwenga Catherine?
Yeah.
Okuva ku lwe yasookerako okutuuka ku lwe yasembayo?
Yeah. All of them.
All of them.
Zonna, yeah.
Kiki ky'owulira ng'oggyeko okuba writer okubeera nga gw'otadde bino wansi obiwandiise? Bw'otuula awo n'oziwulira ki ky'owulira muli? Now tugambe si gwe writer, oli muntu wa just listener.
Yeah.
Ki ky'owulira mu nnyimba ezo? What do you feel when you listen to the music?
Well, what I know is that this music means more to Luganda speakers than anyone. I will never really truly understand the full meaning of these songs. Never.
Okujjako abategeera Oluganda?
It's not possible.
Febe zisinga okugasa.
Omanyi siasa, senkubuge siasa.
Mumanyi.
Lwaleero angamba Okay, he looked at the first line of one song. Then Omuzungu agamba nangambye, you got it completely wrong.
Yeah,
Then he said, but we also don't know what it means. We have no idea.
That's the strange thing about Kafeero's music.
Yeah, and that's the amazing thing about Luganda.
Surprisingly,
that even Luganda speakers don't understand Luganda in some ways. It's so deep, it's so rich, the language is so beautiful that even speakers of Luganda have to ask each other, what? But see, okay, Mbadi Ngamba, this is not music.
it is not. This is literature.
Literature.
100%.
So I approached it as literature and as a book, not an album or a recording, but literature. Yeah.
Obigabiddeko ku library za wano.
Mbadi mbali ejo Sandy. Mbadi launching it at the Uganda Community Libraries Association. They had a meeting in Mbali.
Mbali.
And I donated 1 copy per library, 100.
Balina library 100.
Yeah.
Buli library wagiwadde ekitabo kimu.
Because for me, I'm not interested in selling this.
Really?
Now why? For what?
Ogenda kufuna mutya.
Sietaga sente. I have a job. So Bansasula, I'm okay. For me, my interest is not selling it. It's getting it to everyone in Uganda.
Ekikulu kya kutuusa legacy Kafeero gye yaleka eri abantu. Telling it to the people. Right. Kati abalaba tuwayo tuyinza obbagabirayo kopi onoozibawa.
Well, oyinza kutunda, not kutunda,
tuyinza okugamba abantu nga bataano bajje obaweeyo kopi. This is, I don't know. Kino ekitabo nze oli ne bwanneegayirira siyinza kimuwa. I love it. I just love everything.
Yeah, it's really great. It's amazing. And they batunda mu shops zonna mu Kampala?
Mu
Aristoc. All of them.
Mukono bookshop.
All of them.
Gyekiri. Bakitadde ku ssente meka? How much?
Mitwalo 5.
50,000. Mitwalo 5. Kakati basasula gwe n'obawa oba Fountain Publishers?
We made an agreement. They gave me half the books to give away, then half the books they're selling for their profit.
Mwakuba kopi meka?
Like 500.
Kopi emitwalo 5.
So I'm giving them away.
Ojja tulekerayo tuwe ku bantu wano
yeah.
Basome ku nyimba.
Okay, this is why.
Kafeero.
This is not my book.
True.
Right? It's not. I'm not the author. Why should I sell something I didn't create? But the children are selling it for their own profit. When they sell it, they keep the money, which is good.
Bachasoma.
Bachasoma. But they are big now. Kafeero Simon, Peter is is earning a degree, and then Swaz just completed secondary, so he's going to campus.
Kafeero yakubuuliranga ki ku music we? Mwatuulangako awo ne munyumya. Did you ever have time to chat about his music?
Nah.
With Paul, the late Paul?
Not really. Not really. No, I didn't really talk to him about his music.
Mwalinga ba mukwano, and that was it?
No. I mean, it's. I didn't understand what he was singing. What could we say? What could I talk to him about?
Omubuuza n'oganti obadde oyimba kikyawo. Something like abako mujebala emirimu.
But I told him, namugamba nja kuwandika ekitabo, nja kuwandika ebitabo byo.
Wakimugamba ng'akyali
kugwe. Angambye genda maaso. He was surprised, I think, that anyone would write a book about him. He didn't really understand who he was. He was humble. Although when you read his music, it's very clear he talks about his talent. He knew he had talent. He knew. But I don't think he understood how big he was.
Yakubulira lwaki wasanga tumuyita Golden Boy of Africa?
Golden Boy of Africa, yeah.
Yakubulira. Did he ever tell you why?
Yeah, the story, they angambye simanyi kituufu kubanga it's just his story. Yangamba they bamuyita kugenda Cairo, Misri. He called it Misri always. Misri for a contest, singing contest.
Yeah, abayimbi ba Africa.
Pan-Africa, something.
Abayimba ku.
And he won. And then the title was Golden Boy or something like that. The title was, I don't know what, but then when he came back...
Oluyimba olwawangula lwali Walumbezaya.
Walumbezaya.
I think lwamufuula
It was Walumbezaya,
Golden Boy.
Yeah.
Yakyalako ewamwe, did you ever get to know your parents?
Yeah, in fact, there's pictures.
I saw a picture.
Yeah. Yaja, okay, alimu California.
California,
Pacific Ocean. Whatever.
Oh yeah.
Pacific Ocean, California, Southern California. Yeah. Yaja mu America in 1999.
Chenda mwenda. Wamuteeka ku nnyonyi.
Munyonyi.
Noga tugenda olaba abewaffe.
He was very, very frightened.
Abewamwe bamwagala. Did they like him?
Oh, but he was so humble because they expected a big star.
Ayambadde bling biki ng'azimba.
He came small and quiet.
Yeah, as usual. That was him.
They didn't understand why this big star was so humble, quiet.
Eka ewamwe bakukkiriza kye wali okola bakuwagira. Did they support you nti oli mulaavu n'omusajja wa Uganda?
Yeah, because I do what I want. They know that. I do what I want. They have no say.
Ekirala kye kiyinza okukolebwa Catherine okutwala music wa Kafeero mu maaso. To grow it, abeere nga teyeerabirwa. Ekitabo, yes, well and good. Naye bannayuganda
bayagala ki?
Tetunyumirwa nnyo bintu bya bitabo. To be.
But then what now? How do you grow someone's music? It's grown.
It's
there.
Already the music we mukulu teyeetaaga.
Yamala ku.
Okukola kye yalina okukola.
It's there. It's all done.
Ate okuddamu okurecordinga maybe ennyimba ze bano abayimbi bano abaliwo ab'ennaku zino.
Bayimbi balala.
Yeah, I've heard it's done with Eddie Wamala's music.
Yeah.
People take.
Bibi Cool.
By now, bafuna records ezo ne baddayo mu studio. Yeah. Then omuyimbi ow'amaanyi ennaku zino n'ayimbirako, then they bring in choruses out.
Tumulinda, if people want to do it. In fact, there was an artist who did a mix of it. It was nice. People are doing work with his music, which is great. They should. But if those are musicians. For me, I'm not a musician, so this is what I'm doing with it, putting it in a book. But musicians should, yes, they will continue, to work with it and use it, and it's wonderful.
Ani gwe yalekera obuyinza, power of administration, ey'ennyimba ze zino?
No, tulina bizibu mu Uganda omanyi kubanga teri copyright laws. Okay, tulina laws, teri.
Naye teziri effective.
Teri teeth.
Teziruma.
There's nothing you can do about copyright. Like BB Cool. No, Bobby Wine. Yeah, he recorded Dipo
Nazigala. I heard that track.
He needed no permission, he needed nothing, he just took it. So, there's nothing anyone can do.
Family ya Kafeero teyakipashuinga.
They can't, what can they do?
So etteeka likyali enough. Still a weak law.
Useless law. Until there's a consequence, why obey the law?
Kusubscribinga ku Focus TV yani. Bingi